Ferguson presence. The Solar System. Programmed by John Ferguson Adeti. Learning objectives. After learning this unit, you should be able to 1. Describe the components of the solar system. 2. Explain what a star is. 3. List the planets of the solar system. 4. Describe what the Sun, Moon and Earth are composed of. 5. Explain the term satellite. 6. Distinguish between natural and artificial satellites. 7. State the uses of artificial satellites. Components of the solar system. The solar system is just a tiny portion of the universe. Beyond the Earth's atmosphere is space. Space comprises the other planets and heavenly bodies. The solar system is made up of the Sun, the 8 planets, the Moon and other heavenly bodies. The heavenly bodies include comets, planetoids, asteroids, meteors, and other stars. The study of the universe and the relationship between the other heavenly bodies is known as astronomy. A person trained to be able to travel in space rocket to space is called an astronaut. This picture illustrates the components of the solar system. Star and galaxy. Star. A star is a natural heavenly body that burns to produce heat and light. A star is a glowing ball of hot gas in space. It is a massive, luminous ball of plasma gas that is held together by gravity. The nearest star to Earth is the Sun, which is the source of most of the energy on Earth. Other stars are visible in the night sky when they are not outshone by the Sun. The Sun is by far the largest object in the solar system. It contains more than 99.8% of the total mass of the solar system. Stars are composed of about 71% hydrogen and 27% helium, with the remaining 2% being elements, like iron, oxygen, carbon and others. The people who study the stars are called astrologers. Galaxy. A galaxy is made up of stars, space dust and gas. The combination can take on several unique shapes. One such shape is a spiral. The stars, dust and gas swirl around in perfect spiral form. We can simply define a galaxy as a large group of many stars in the universe. There are many galaxies within the universe. Galaxies range in sizes from 1 million stars to 1 trillion stars. The Milky Way. The Milky Way galaxy is the galaxy containing the solar system. The Milky Way is the group of planets and stars which the Earth belongs to. It consists of more than 100 billion stars that can be seen as a diffuse band of light stretching across the night sky. All the stars that the eye can distinguish in the night sky are part of the Milky Way galaxy. This means we live in the Milky Way galaxy. Our galaxy gets its name from the light produced by all the stars inside it, which from Earth looks like a band of milky white light across the night sky. The Milky Way galaxy is spiral-shaped. Large galaxies frequently eat smaller galaxies. This means that when a smaller galaxy gets too close to a larger galaxy, the larger galaxy sucks the smaller galaxy in, and the two become one. Galaxies can die when the stars inside them burn out. When the matter that supplies the stars the necessary fuel to burn brightly runs out, the stars fade into blackness. When all the stars of a galaxy are gone, that galaxy ceases to exist in space. The relationship between the Sun and the Earth in the galaxy. 1. The Earth receives almost all its energy from the Sun's radiation. 2. Sun has the most dominating influence on the changing climate of various locations on Earth at different times of the year. 3. The Earth rotates about on a fixed plane that is tilted 23.5 degrees with respect to its vertical axis around the Sun. 4. The rotation of the Earth about its axis causes the day and night phenomenon. 5. The Sun's gravity keeps the Earth in orbit around the Sun. The Sun's heat and light provides electromagnetic energy that 1. Provides light that plants use to grow and reproduce. 2. Provides heat to keep the planet from freezing. Differences between planets and stars.
What are the differences between planets and stars?
1. Planets are solid in nature, but stars are made up of burning masses of gases. 2. Planets do not produce heat and light, but stars produce heat and light. 3. Planets move round the Sun, stars are stationary, they do not move. 4. Planets are smaller in size compared to the stars, but stars are bigger than the planets. The planets of the Solar System.
What is a planet?
A planet is a heavenly body that moves around the Sun.
How many known planets move around the Sun?
There are 8 known planets moving around the Sun in fixed elliptical paths called orbits.
What is the correct order of planets by their distances from the Sun?
The planets in the solar system in the correct order, by their distances from the Sun is as follows. 1. Mercury. 2. Venus. 3. Earth. 4. Mars. 5. Jupiter. 6. Saturn. 7. Uranus. 8. Neptune.
What are the 4 inner planets?
The 4 inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars.
What are the 4 outer planets?
The 4 outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Note: Pluto is no longer classified as a classical planet in the solar system. It is now considered as a dwarf planet. Nature of the planets. 1. Mercury. It is the smallest planet and the closest to the Sun. It is the planet that has the highest temperature, and so cannot support animal and plant life. 2. Venus. It is the brightest of all the planets when viewed from the Earth. It cannot support life because it has a high temperature and a cloudy atmosphere, made up of carbon dioxide and other poisonous gases. 3. Earth. It is the only planet that supports plant and animal life. This is due to the following conditions. 1. The presence of oxygen. 2. The presence of water. 3. Suitable temperature. 4. The presence of ozone layer, that protects plants and animals from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. (4) Mars. It is called the red planet. This is so because it is about half of its surface appearing red. It is believed to be rocky and cannot support animal and plant life. 5. Jupiter. It is the largest of all the planets. It is surrounded by poisonous gases, and has a cold temperature. These conditions do not make it suitable for Jupiter to support plant and animal life. (6) Saturn. It is the second largest planet. It has series of colorful rings around its equator. It has a cold temperature that cannot support life. 7. Uranus and Neptune. These are planets with very low temperature, that cannot support plant and animal life.
What keep the planets and the heavenly bodies in their orbits, around the Sun?
There exists a gravitational force of attraction, that keeps the planets and the heavenly bodies, in their orbits around the Sun. The gravitational force of attraction of the Sun provides the centripetal force that keeps the planets in their respective orbits to prevent clashes among them. Composition of the Sun, Moon and the Earth. The Sun. The Sun is almost entirely composed of burning gases, such as hydrogen and helium. The Moon